Hi there. The following tutorial will cover products and how to upload the data to the spreadsheet template. In my spreadsheet, I've placed a screenshot from a store product to use as a visual aid. Please note, do not change the column structure or rename column headings in any way. A complex product is a product that will display as a single product on the store, but have multiple dimensions or options to choose from, like color or size. If you do not have any complex products, please refer to the simple product spreadsheet in the YouTube comments. The product ID is a code that is used to tie a group of SKU codes, or your product dimensions, to one product, combining the small, medium, and large product codes. This code is not generated in your accounting software, but one that you will create for each product. It is only used during the import and will not appear in the Sage Online Tools back office or on your website. The product name is the title that will be displayed on the web store. It should be relevantly named so that the user can easily identify the product. If you include a brand or model number in the name, this may help your Google SEO ranking. This field is for the primary product image that will display. Place the image file name here, including the file extension. We'd recommend .jpeg or .png file types. Please note, it's important to get the exact image name. Otherwise, a broken image marker will display on the product. The intro description is a shortened text to display on the storefront before a user clicks through to see the extended product description. This would typically be some key information about the product. An extended product description visible when a user clicks through into the product drawdown. You may add HTML tags here or in the intro field to format the text further. Specify the category path here from highest level to lowest level. You may separate each category level with a /. If product is to live in multiple categories, add a line break or pipe symbol and insert the new category path. We need to specify the name of our product's dimension here. The first dimension may be size. The second dimension may be color. You may want to define the related product heading to something different, like customers who bought this also bought, or similar. You may leave this blank, however, and it defaults to related products, or whatever you specify in your eCommerce settings. To display additional images in your product display, list the image names with file extensions of .jpeg or .png or similar. To add a YouTube video display to a product, place the video link here. Attach a document for download by placing the URL link here. The documents will need to be hosted online for this to work. Should you wish to add a link to an affiliate website or similar, enter the URL here and adjust the URL display text here. All product SKU codes to be displayed on the online store need to be listed in this column. As you can see, each product code represents one product with different sizes, or just a single product. The SKU name will not be displayed on the storefront, but will be visible when customer checks out their shopping cart. The description will be updated from your accounting item data. Each product SKU code may have a weight value in kilograms or smaller, as example 0.5. This would be used for calculating shipping costs on a weight basis. Each product SKU may have a separate image, so when users cycle through the product variations, example color, the red image displays when the red SKU is selected. In the product spreadsheet tab, our dimension name was specified as size. So in the SKU tab, the value would be small, medium, and large. In the product tab, the dimension name 2 was color. And if we go back to the SKU tab, we can define that as Picante Red. We will link up the multiple SKU codes to one product in the product SKU link tab here. The product ID is defined on the product tab in the spreadsheet. This is the unique identifier that's going to link multiple SKU codes to one product. In our backpack example, it has different sizes with each SKU code representing a different size. They will all have the same product ID as they are to be grouped together with the SKU codes being unique. The related products are an optional store display feature to associate products together, commonly seen as people who bought this also bought, or you might also like. You may also use this feature to link a product to its matching accessories. To set up this feature, enter the following information into the spreadsheet. In the product ID column, name the product that is to have the feature displayed upon. In the related SKU column, enter in the product SKU code that needs to display on the main product. More than 4 SKU codes will display in the product slider. Product filters are an optional attribute you may add to your products that are used to filter products on the storefront for easier customer navigation. Below the product category list, we'll get a selection of filters that, when selected, will display only products that match. In the product ID column, choose the product ID that needs to attract the filter attributes. The attribute name can be defined to your needs. Typically, one would have a product category of backpacks, and a user should be able to filter by brand, color, or carrying capacity, or similar. In the value column, we'll add the value of the name we defined in the previous column. If the attribute name was brand, the value could be Osprey or similar. To add multiple filter attributes to one product, simply duplicate the product ID, state the attribute name and the value.